Introducing the PayAnywhere Smart Terminal. This handheld device comes equipped with a 5-inch touchscreen with Android software, an EMV chip card, NFC contactless and magstripe reader, PIN debit, built-in receipt printer, front and back cameras for easy barcode scanning, 4G and Wi-Fi connectivity, and comes preloaded with a PayAnywhere app. This all-in-one device combines the convenience of a fully equipped terminal with the advanced functionality of PayAnywhere. Accept payments anytime, anywhere with the PayAnywhere Smart Terminal.